going to show you this fan. It's got Jeep on the blades. This is an SMC. SMC makes really good fans, my knowledge. The top of the blades is iron wood. I'll turn this on for a moment. Turn on medium. But the other one at the back is slowing down. I'm gonna pause the video and spin this one up. Okay, so I got it spun up, and I also spun the one up at the back. It's a good fan. It spins for quite a while, which is about maybe power added to it, because I can't add power to these fans because I am not an electrician. So I'm going to spin them all up again just for a moment. Even though I'm doing a video on this one here, I'm going to just get them all spinning up. This video wasn't recording right. Sorry about that. Back to what I was saying. If I didn't pause it and I just accidentally pushed the pause button, sorry about that. I was just showing you a couple of other things real quick. I'm going to spin this thing all the way back up. It does drop. It's blowing a little bit of air. Just slap it off balance. This is the pull chain. I don't even know what speed that pull chain's on, but God knows. One day I might wire this fan up and it could just be on. Switch it on and the blades just wire it up and the blades just start spinning and then chop me up. I'm kidding. When you wire these things, if I ever wire these things up, I'm going to do it with the blades off so that it's more safer. Sorry about that. You know, I put my hands down on the piano. But I'm gonna finish this video so I can go inside because it is quite late out here. It's a star. There's a couple of stars out there. There's a street light. It's an LED, and we're getting mooned. Thanks for watching. Stop this from wobbling. They're all stopped spinning now. It's funny.